Hi everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you what functionality the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook can bring to you to increase your user experience with Dynamics. So you can see here I've got open the Outlook desktop app, and I've got open this email, and I've been sent this email with these guys being CC'd in it as well. And for the purpose of this video, let's say that it was regarding an account called YouTube in our system. And I wanted to track this email into the system, into Dynamics, so that other users and also myself can access the account and also access the email all within Dynamics. So within your taskbar up here, you can see that once installed, you have the Dynamics 365 app. And if you hit that, you're brought up with a side pane, and this is where all tracking and functionality is managed. And once it loads, you can see here it's automatically picked up the recipients of the email. So it's picked up the account, and it's also picked up some contact records in the system as well. So let's just say I want to track this to my colleague Emily. And then this is where I can choose, which account or which opportunity or which lead or service case or record that I want to track it to. So if we just search for YouTube, and you can see that we've got the YouTube account listed here, and you can open this record from within here to view it, but let's just track it directly here. And you can see here it's tracked regarding YouTube, and if you then click on the Dynamics tile again, it will tell you where it's regarding and also the recipients. So here we've got open another email, and for the purpose of this video, let's pretend that this is somebody inquiring about the product that we offer. And I want to create them as a lead in the system, so that we can track this via a dashboard. We can assign it to different users and add tasks and phone calls, etc. against this lead as well. So this can all be done within Outlook. So if you come to the Dynamics app and then just press New, you can populate a lead against them. And once you just press save here, creates the lead, it tracks the email against the lead also as well. Okay, so this lead was created successfully, and you can see it's pulled in the topic name and some owner and other information as well. So from this screen here, you can just press the plus button, you can add appointments, phone calls and tasks against this lead. So let's just add a task, and let's put in the subject same quote, and if we just save this task was also created successfully. So within the Dynamics record that I'll show you shortly, this task will appear and also this email will appear against it. It's a good way to manage incoming and outgoing emails, and you can do this again all within Dynamics, and this can be done from a phone, from a mobile, from any laptop or computer that you log onto. So some other things that you can do with this app whilst we're still in Outlook is here we've got a new email. So I'm just composing a clean, fresh email. I've put in who I want to send it to, and I've just tracked it. And now you've got the option to input some data. So you can pull in templates, sales literature and articles, all from Dynamics. And again, these are managed in Dynamics. You change these and upload them and attach and do all sorts with them, but it's all managed within Dynamics. And with this Dynamics integration, you can pull this data into your emails. So let's just put in a global template, and if we just add this to an email, you can see here it's pulled in this template, it's pulled in the attachment and also the subject, and then I can just hit send. And the great thing about this is it saves time. It means that you can just edit it and compose and attach and send it to multiple people and then track this as well. It's a great way of managing incoming and outgoing templates. And you can also open the records and add sales literature depending on what they're inquiring about, and also articles. So if you've got some sort of service module set up, you can send out knowledge base articles based on the issue or the service request that this customer might be having. As you can see, I've just opened up Dynamics 365 and I've come into my lead record that we just created from within Outlook. And you can see here that the email itself that came in has been tracked to the system. And you can also see that the task that I created got tracked into this record as well, which was, if we just open it up, description was customer wants quote sent to them today. And if you're tracking multiple emails, and if I track an email from a customer and then there's ongoings and outgoings, replying emails following that, you can set this to automatically track as well, so it gets rid of that manual step of hitting track every time. But again, that's something that a setting that you can change on your user to user basis. Now there is some configuration, just light configuration, that an admin would need to do within the system just to allow users to have access to this app. If I just show you where you can download it from, if you come to the settings and then apps, it's this second one up here, the lightweight app. Again, following this video, we are going to be creating one which just runs you through what sort of light configuration you need to do to your users' accounts so that it allows them to download this app. This sort of configuration and training and any issues that you have with it is all covered under our support contract, and if you're interested, please do contact us. But again, our details are on screen for any questions or queries that you might have regarding videos like this. Be sure to check out our social media accounts for upcoming videos, free training webinars, and events that we may be running.